Hello, welcome my dear students. Today we are talking about the gravity of motion. First, what is meant by motion? Suppose you are in a point A and you begin to walk forward to the point B. So in this case, you change your position A to the next position B. Let's say this motion takes from you about 5 minutes. And this distance that you covered in 5 minutes is 5 meters. So your motion here, the distance in this motion is covered is 5 meters, covered in 5 minutes. Also, we can use the graphs here representing the motion and getting to another result from it. Let's see this one in the next slide. Example here, distance time graph. We have here in the y-axis distance and the x-axis time. In this graph, there is a straight line beginning from the origin point 0. Can determine many things from this line. We can know the slope. Get the slope. The slope here is rise over the run. Rise here, let's see it. Expect this point. Pick it up. 1. Over the run, that's 1 second. So it will give me 1 meter per second. So that's a slope, and this slope represents the speed. So from this relation, we get a new result here, which is speed. You can know that each second from this graph, from this type of motion, there is 1 meter covered on this slope. This area here, you can find it is 1 meter per second. Let's see it in another segment from this straight line between the 2 points here. The slope here, we will find also rise over the run. 2 minus 1, which is the distance here, and 1 in the first. To get the distance in this segment, it is 1 meter. Over the time for this segment is 2 minus 1. So 1 meter over 1 second. Also give us 1 meter per second. Also the next segment here also will give us the same value, 1 meter per second. Also the last one here gives us 1 meter per second. This means this speed doesn't change. This speed here is regular. Regular means the cover distance here is the same in the next segment, is the same in the next segment, and so on. And the same equal periods of time. This one is regular. So the graphs here can give us many information. A story told by a graph. Thank you. Until then, we'll get to the next time with a new topic. Thank you.